Halo guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat pagi semuanya guys. Balik lagi, kita udah general 1 bintang 5 ya. Dikit lagi nih guys, 100 poin lagi kayaknya. Ya kurang lebih 100 poin lah. Jadi langsung saja. Bentar ya.
I'll take point.
Nox, given your difficult past, I've chosen to interpret your paranoia as caution.
Loading area bro. Aduh, kita
Since Skynet's
attacker.
upgrade, several reeling subjects like you have been recaptured. Only Dr. Emetheus and I know what's going on with that thing in your head. If you want to escape Havoc, you need to act quickly. Here's my proposal.
Apakah sudah ada yang menggunakan heli guys? Heli.
Take down Skynet. Let's keep it simple, huh? My patience is running thin.
Kita pakai ini gak sih? Serpet. Aduh, gua nyupir lagi bro.
Secure and hold the beachhead. Let's go, team.
Kok nggak hancur bro? Hancur itu loh guys.
Allied troops engaging at objective Alpha.
Kalau ini nggak bisa ditembakin pakai ini ya? Oke, sepertinya sudah oke guys. Tombol turunnya mana bro? Ini bisa kita gerakin lagi guys. Nggak bisa deh. Ya jangan bilang nge-lag bro.
Objective Alpha cleared.
Udah ya, Alpha udah dikit lagi ya hilang nge-lag ya bro. Ya rollback guys. Ya streamingannya juga nge-lag ya pasti deh. Ya 120 cok ping gua. Ya bentar guys. Anjir kagak jelas. Kagak enak banget kalau nge-lag bro. Kalau nge-lag kagak enak banget anjir.
We've neutralized objective Alpha.
Ya elah. Nge-lag kagak enak banget cok.
Climb this fire and neutralize anyone who stands in your way.
Buset dah, depan komuk gitu langsung. Halo bro, Tony.
Enemy attempting to regroup. We must capture the new sectors.
Teman kita pertama bro, si Udin. Anjir. Ketahuan lagi. Udah di belakang semua temen-temen gua. Ya malah ini cok, orang Buddha ini.
Allied troops neutralizing objective Bravo 2.
Gotta get serious.
Kena guys. Pakai yang ini bisa nggak ya? Gue lupa deh harus pakai yang mana deh. Ya pakai yang ini nggak bisa bro.
Allied troops launching an assault on objective Bravo 1.
Ini bisa di sini kan? Anjir harus di atas bro.
Come on, let's get it.
We've neutralized objective Bravo 1.
One down.
We have taken objective Bravo 1. The enemy has taken over objective Bravo 1.
Cok, dilewatin berdiri.
Allied troops engaging in objective Bravo 2. We have enough forces left. Keep pushing and breaking through the enemy support.
Ah, kena guys.
The enemy is attacking objective Bravo 1.
Bakajai. Ada tank gak sih? Oh ada tank bro. Ada tank di kiri, di kanan. Ya Allah kaget gua. Kaget gua. Tolong. Pegang le. Ya mati gue le. Sorry dah. Ada tank bro di kanan bro.
We got a man down. Let's have another crack. Don't give him any spice. Changing mag. Enemy down.
Objective Bravo 1 secured. Objective Bravo 1 is under attack. Suppressed!
Surprise.
The
Ini
enemy
ada
has
beacon
taken
nih,
over
fix.
objective
kurang ajar, ditabrak gue guys, dilindas gue. Nggak bakalan bisa nggak sih? Nggak bakalan bisa diselamatin bro. Dia ada tank. Mana sih tanknya? Kagak ada di sini.
We've neutralized objective
Jangan-jangan
Bravo
tabrak
1.
tank sendiri bro.
Down one!
Astagfirullahaladzim. Tolong bre, ini baru bisa bre.
Injured!
Tolong lah, cepet lah. The fuck man. The fuck man, mati dia. Hey,
Medic! I'm here!
kasihlah smoke dulu bro.
Thanks to you!
Dongo banget anjir, sumpah dah.
Attention! We've lost half our forces.
Sabar, kita harus ini.
Objective Bravo 2 has fallen into enemy
Anjir,
hands.
ngelepok apa itu?
Allied troops launching an assault on Objective Bravo 2.
Udah deket nih.
We've neutralized Objective Bravo 2.
Oh maga, B2 nya kemana? Bro, kalau di sini kagak bisa baca komen cuy, di kanan.
Objective Bravo 2
Kadang aku
is
baca.
under attack.
Nice, itu dia.
You're coming up to this fire now.
Nice bro.
Take out any forces that
Nice,
try to
nice.
stop you.
Apa sih ini orang tuh? Reload lama banget tadi.
Enemy down!
Habis ya. Ini masih bisa dipakai, ini masih bisa dipakai bro. Cara repair gini gimana deh guys? Oh kesini doang bisa repair. Bro, tunggu bro, sumpah. Wah, udah digunakan ya. Udah digunakan kah? Bukan gak sih? Operator digunakan sob. Ya elah ini mah. Gue pengen kali-kali gitu kan naik tank bro di sini bro.
take control.
Sabar bang, satu-satu bang.
I'm out. She's yours.
Mas le.
50% Allied troop force left. We must pick up the pace. Allied troops launching an assault on objective Charlie 1.
Come on, let's get it back.
Allied troops launching an assault on objective Charlie 2. Objective Charlie 2 clear. Objective Charlie 2 is ours. Allied troops launching an assault on objective Charlie 1. The enemy has taken over objective Charlie 2.
Found them! Keep your eyes wide open! Gonna bring you back! Reloading!
Allied troops engaging at objective Charlie 1. Objective Charlie 1 clear. Stay put.
Strategic beacon ready to deploy.
Fire
Nice.
missiles to take down this fire.
Good job, very very good job.
Swap it back.
Capture this sector. Don't give them any ground.
Salah cok.
Fire! Bust them! Swapping mags.
Capture the last sector. We're going to win this.
Artillery barrage ready.
Ini kita lewat samping le. Ini anjir dari kanan ya. QC. Jauh banget kita paling depan le.
drop to designated location. They've nowhere else to run. Final push. Attention! We've lost half our forces.
Anjay.
Very thankful.
Aduh, kena juga anjir. Nice, dia bertahan guys. Wah, mati dong. Dibokong dia.
This is their last stand. Take the sector. Roger that. Artillery barrage incoming.
Enemy soldier! There! Fire! Fire! Excellent! Casualty here! Keep firing! Need aid!
This is their last stand. Take the sector.
Artillery barrage ready.
This is their last line of defense. Troop force at 25%. Stay sharp.
Got nowhere to go! Set me down!
Victory is sight. They can't hold much longer. Copy. Vehicle drop to designated location. This is their last stand. Take the sector.
I'm injured! Help me! Friendly
15% troop force. Time to make our final stand.
No secrets for my arrow.
Get them on back! Good to have you!
I'm reloading! Stop complaining! Get up and fight back!
Enemy off galley!
Roger that. Artillery barrage incoming. Capture the last sector. We're going to win this. Strategic beacon deployed. The enemy's defense was stronger than expected. Fall back.
Aduh guys, bau guys. Cemana ini, plus kah? Wah 500 minus sih. Gelo minus. Lagi.
Let's go.
Sebenarnya bagusan ini sih guys.
Guaranteed to get things done.
Kalau buat nyari poin ya bagusan support ya. Karena kan kalau support itu kan nge-revive bisa, terus juga ngasih peluru juga bisa, ngasih utility lah ya. Makanya kalau attacker itu lebih bagus sih ya gituan. Ada AUG gak sih? AUG mana AUG? Kayaknya Luna doang ya ada AUG ya, gua AUG deh. AUG gua make ini thermal. Let's go kali ini semoga dapat banyak ini nih bintang ya, poin.
Guard your sectors. Keep attacking until they retreat. The enemy is attacking objective Alpha.
Ya Allah. Ini ada kan ada support kan. Kena lagi. Wih, Sopi. Gue lagi main Sopi. Anjir, Sopi gue lagi main Sopi bentar. Bikin gue dihancurin kah? Enggak kan? Anjir lah, langsung kena cok dari belakang. Ngilang tuh bikin.
The enemy has taken objective Alpha. Wait for my intel.
Bun banget ya.
Casualty here!
Gero.
I've got it.
Duar. Habis cok. Habis cok peluru gua.
No secrets under my arrow.
Aduh anjir, gua kira itu beacon bro, gua tembakin. Ternyata bukan beacon ya. Nggak bisa di sini. Ah udah kalah bro. Dia jebol anjir, langsung lagi. Udah jebol langsungnya majuin bro.
Back in action!
Where are they hiding? Many thanks.
Ready to go!
Find them! Here! What the heck?
The enemy has taken objective Bravo 2.
They'll pay for this! do better next time.
The enemy has 80% of their forces left and is still strong, but we must hold this sector. The enemy has taken
for my
objective
intel.
Bravo 1.
Damn!
The enemy has taken objective Bravo 2.
Thanks, I feel better now.
Be advised, enemy troops are attacking objective Bravo 2.
Let me detect first. Suppressing them. Well, it's just a little. Reloading! Swapping back! Need fire support! Now! Let me help you!
Objective
Got them
Bravo
pinned down!
2. Lost.
Appreciate it! Friendly! Got them!
Strategic beacon ready to deploy.
Be advised, enemy troops are attacking objective Bravo 1. Objective Bravo 1 lost.
Where are they hiding?
Friendly down! Keep fighting! I need to be more careful. Taking heavy fire!
Be advised, enemy troops are attacking objective Bravo 2.
Enemy in the sight!
Bullseye!
Stuck in! Reloading!
Objective Bravo 2 lost.
No secrets under my arrow.
The enemy forces are down to half. This sector will be ours. Objective Bravo 2 has been captured by the enemy. forces are attacking objective Bravo 2. The enemy has taken objective Bravo 1. We have cleared objective Bravo 2. Press on.
Got them pinned down! Enemy attack! Firing! Changing mags!
Allied forces have taken objective Bravo 2. Be advised. Enemy troops are attacking objective Bravo 2. Allied forces are clearing objective Bravo 1. Halfway through the operation. Keep going. The enemy has taken objective Bravo 2. Allied forces are engaging at objective Bravo 1. GTI maligns our life-saving research. Make them answer for their actions.
Well, it's just a little mistake. Good now.
Build the cover!
Secure our last sector, whatever it takes.
Bullseye! Ah! That was a close one! Well, smells like something burns. Find them!
They've lost more than half of their troops. Maintain defensive lines. This is the final line of defense. Hold it at all costs.
Got them pinned down!
The situation
Detecting.
is critical. Stand your ground. Defend at all costs.
Loading ammo!
Cara dapetin titel victory gak tahu bang, dulu bang. Belum punya gue juga.
Bullseye!
Suppressing them!
Apa sih dikit-dikit bom?
Situation is critical. Stand your ground. Defend at all costs.
Hold them there! Deploying total armor!
Ceknya bro. Kok ceknya bisa kebobol bro?
The situation is critical. Stand your ground. Defend at all costs.
Let me detect first! Tango down!
Mungkin harus menang berapa kali bang ya? Nggak tahu juga gue.
The enemy forces are
Aduh kan,
hold the line.
ngeselin bet. Belum tembus ya, belum tembus, aman.
This is our last defense. We must hold it.
Kenapa bisa ada di sini? Oh, lorong banget.
This is the final line of defense. Hold it at all costs.
Rame banget bro, gue kena bom bunuh diri, kocak banget ya. Sabar beacon nanti beacon. Beacon tuh kalau udah C-nya udah bobol banget bro.
Damn it!
Aduh, bro, belakang lu bro, hello belakang, nah itu loh.
They're almost gone. Keep fighting. Make sure that we get the final victory. There's nowhere to
Ini di
reach.
mana anjir?
Do not let this
Naruh
sector
beacon
fall.
sembarangan tuh. Loh. Oh, di bawah deh.
The situation is critical.
Busting
Stand
beacon
your
at
ground.
this position!
Defend at all costs.
Loading ammo! Hands down!
Strategic beacon deployed.
No secrets under my arrow!
Rame cok. Tembus anjay. Gitu.
Well, smells like something
The
burnt!
final line of defense. Hold it at all
Ini cok,
costs.
ini cok. Anjir kena amunisi le. Orang
Target down!
saya orang prone ya di situ ya.
The situation is critical. Stand your ground. Defend at all costs.
Sudah kelihatan le.
Bullseye!
The enemy
Ah,
break
situ
our
loh,
line. Our
guys.
defensive position holds strong. Operation accomplished.
Gue titel cuma dikit bro. Kagak ngejar titel sih gue. Gue ngejar Marshall dulu aja nih. Gila, langsung ke atas. Gila. 44 kill dong padahal gua. Asusnya 63 gua anjir. 100 ya berarti ya. 100 kontribusi guys. Harusnya plus ini. Plus berapa ya? Langsung naik gitu. Please. Sepertinya wangi nih, naik 700 oke lah, 12. Ya elah kurang jir. Kurang. Mana sih titel ini, titel ya? Titel yang di mana sih titel?
Guaranteed to get things
Kelas. Hoki aja bang itu bang.
Alright, sunshine.
Forget about the
Aduh
past.
sini lagi.
Our clocks may be reset, but we can never go back to yesterday. Don't ask when the war will end. That's not on Havoc's
Nice,
agenda.
akhirnya defender bro.
The attack on Space City's opening ceremony and bomb
Oke,
at the
uluru
Tower
nggak
of
sih,
Babel
uluru?
launch event have shown us people only believe in truths brought to them by violence. We have no choice. We must take
Javelin,
this
dia ada
fight wherever
heli
doubt
nggak ya?
in our great cause persists.
Harusnya ada heli nggak sih dia? Javelin ini dulu deh. Bentar. Anjir. Oh ada heli lagi dia. Helinya bahaya nih. Ada heli dia. Kita pakai ganti ini. Jangan bro, aduh ganti senjata bro.
Cheers, mate. I'm reloading.
Nah ganti senjata gua. Heli hancur kah? Mana heli udah hancur cok. Dia. Buset ke bawah jadi ini kita nih. 140 kill belum. Gue paling tinggi aja kemarin 100 berapa gitu. Belum sampai 140 gua.
The enemy is attacking objective Alpha.
Sip. Syarat banget itu. Nggak mati lagi dong. Mana sih nambahin gue nih? Mati dia. Ya ngelek lagi cok 140 pingnya. Gimana sih nembakin gue tuh? Lupa ada di atas. Ini pakai kapal ini nembakin gue dia. Menghudar. Itu temen cok. Salah gue anjing, temen gue ini, sorry.
Allied forces are attacking objective Alpha.
Ini nggak kelihatan deh. Nice, goodbye. Belum anjir. Iya cok, salah cok gue, sorry dah. Aduh ngelap aja anjing HP gue. Bisa di sini friendly fire ya?
You are stay within the battlefield.
Aduh anjir.
Be advised, enemy troops are attacking objective Bravo 1.
Kagak mati dong. Anjir agak mati dong, itu heli lagi, kok ada heli lagi sih?
The enemy has cleared objective Bravo 1.
Device X6 Pro Poco.
Attention, objective Bravo 1 is now under enemy control. The enemy is attacking objective Bravo 2.
Lancar tergantung ininya.
Allied forces are engaging in objective Bravo 1.
Aduh kena lagi. Apa nih putaran ganda ini?
Allied forces are engaging at objective Bravo 1. Objective Bravo 2 lost.
Aduh anjir. Jauh bener gua. Nggak ada beacon ya. Baru dong. Enggak baru sih, udah setahun. Dari
Allied
lebaran
forces are
tahun
clearing
kemarin.
Objective Bravo 2.
Baru-baru apa? Rilis langsung ini gua ganti.
Combatants in objective Bravo 1 have been eliminated.
Anjir itu senjata apa cok? Akan sakit banget.
Bravo 2
Ini nggak siap gua.
has 80% of their forces left and is still strong, but we must hold this sector.
kok single, Cok.
The enemy has taken objective Bravo 1.
Anjir, rame banget, Cok. Ngumpet di sini semua dia. Aduh, jadi bau gini, Cok. Mana orang-orangannya, Cok? Dalam berapa ini?
We got the man down!
Kan bener kan? Oh, pakai headset kah dia?
Enemy has taken objective Bravo 1. Allied forces are engaging at objective Bravo 2. Objective Bravo 1, lost.
That was close!
Allied forces are engaging at objective Bravo 2.
Anjir, nyangkut goblok. Mana ada beacon ini, harusnya dia nih. Gak kena sih. Lurus. Senjata enak AUG sih, AUG sama inian sih. K16 belum nemu gua. Let's do it.
Roger that, artillery barrage incoming. Allied forces are engaging at objective
Nah,
Bravo
saya pada
1.
intinya. Anjir.
In objective Bravo 2 has been neutralized. The enemy is more than halfway defeated. Keep guarding the sector.
Got them! No round ready.
Udah bikin kan?
Allied forces are engaging at objective Bravo 1.
Aduh, anjir, nggak ngeliat gua. Pakai The Wolf. Anjir, kalah lu di senjatanya, bro.
We have cleared objective Bravo 1.
Bikin gua dihancurin.
Be advised, enemy troops are attacking objective Bravo 2.
Need backup!
Apa sih di atas ini?
Loading ammo!
advised. Enemy troops are attacking objective Bravo 1.
Ih, sakit banget kok.
Objective Bravo 2 lost.
Target down! Nice teamwork!
Kotak masih hidup ya.
Let's get them!
Aduh. Belakang lu, Le.
The enemy has taken objective
Aduh,
Bravo 1.
ke-12, cok. Dikit ini plusnya. Bisa-bisa minus, anjay.
Objective Bravo 1 has been captured by the enemy. Allied forces have taken objective Bravo 2. Allied forces are engaging at objective Bravo 1. Enemy forces at low capacity. Carry on.
Anjir, nggak kena-kena, cok. Nembak apa itu?
Allied forces
Oh,
are
udah mulai busuknya aim gue nih.
Bravo 1.
Mati kau.
Allied forces are engaging at objective Bravo 1. The enemy is attacking objective Bravo 2.
Aduh, apa lagi tuh? Udah mulai pusing nih gue nih. Hah.
Enemy has taken objective Bravo 2. Combatants in objective Bravo 1 have been eliminated.
Anjir, kena. Gue kira kena ledakan sendiri, bro. Ini satu lagi nih.
Attention, objective Bravo 1 is now under enemy control. Find the opportunity to take it back.
Gue kebakar. Kiri kanan, kiri kanan.
Control of objective Bravo 2. Let's go for the next objective.
Menang sih tapi minus ini kayaknya nih. Aduh. Le, tolong, Le. Le, tolong, Le.
Strategic beacon deployed.
Thank you!
The enemy has taken objective Bravo 2. Keep alert. Allied forces are taking objective Bravo 1. Reinforce fire support.
Buset, 3 orang.
Repel the enemy's offense
Aduh,
and
minus ini
secure
mah.
the sector. Operation accomplished.
Aduh, gimana ya? Minus 6 ya harus ini. 400 doang kan. Oh plus deh. Udah ini kemarin 142 kill gue ya. Mana cara lihatnya gimana ya? Aduh, apalagi ini. Mana cara ngeliatnya? Roda gigi ini kan? Ini skill. Ini yang ini kok nggak bisa diklik ya? Belum dapat gue ya. Aneh banget cok. Kemarin 142 kill. Mana yang paling atas? Oh yang ini. Oh iya kemarin lawannya bot itu bang. Serius dah. Kemarin jam berapa ini gue main? Jam 9 tuh. Lawannya bot anjay. Bingung juga gue. Enggak bot juga sih. 120 lah ininya musuhnya. Membantai-bantai kita. Armory gue udah semua. Pasang di profile. Nggak usah lah ya. Mana tadi ada ini kan? Apalagi nih email. Ayo dong dapet dong. Cracket gitu, cracket. Naik nih sekali lagi nih.
Alright, sunshine.
Reconnya kita nggak ada recon soalnya. Cracket ini dia loh. Buset langsung mulai baik ini kita nih. Nggak ada Oke, terima kasih bang ya udah mampir bang.
Objective Bravo 1 clear. Stay front.
Ya kan kayak gini lawannya bot nih.
We have taken objective Bravo 1. The enemy is attacking objective Bravo 1.
Saya punya temen cok ngobrolin cok. God damn. Apa sih belakang?
Objective Bravo 2 is under attack.
Apa cok? Terima kasih bang udah mampir tadi bang. Gelo. Nanti gue jadiin moderator bang. Siapa tadi namanya tuh? Aduh makin The Wolf lagi. Dia udah bisa tuh ini tuh.
Enemy objective marked. Regroup and take it down. Roger that. Artillery barrage incoming.
Gak bisa gue pakai The Wolf. Ini udah mulai nge-lag tuh HP gue. Baterainya habis nih
The
harusnya
enemy
nih.
has captured objective Bravo 2.
Udah mulai nge-frame. Ish, kaget gue. Oke tenang kita udah ke berapa tuh?
This objective can make or break the battle. Take it down. Allied troops engaging in objective
Aduh udah
Bravo
mulai
2.
nge-lag tuh HP gue bener.
Strengthen the
Berat.
offensive.
Udah mulai nge-lag 50% kan? 50% tuh udah mulai nge-frame anjir.
Smoke screen incoming.
Barrage ready.
Apa ini
Objective
kabel
Bravo
semua
1
tuh?
is ours. Fuck up.
Magnetic bomb ready!
Allied troops launching an assault on objective Bravo 2. Come to support.
Aduh. Anjir ditabrak gua. Kena. Oh enggak deh, gua kira mati sama gua sendiri bro.
Running out of troops. Fighting full force is the only way to survive.
Smoke barrage ready.
Objective Bravo 2 has fallen into enemy hands. Switch tactics and organize a fight back.
Artillery barrage ready.
Ajar le.
We've neutralized objective Bravo 2. Prepare for the enemy counter.
Dalam dia diam semua ya.
Taking a critical objective from the enemy. Nice work. Our enemy turn this city to ash, we will restore order.
Down one!
They've nowhere else to run. Final push.
Knocked!
I've got nowhere to go! Do better next time.
You're safe, man!
Kena. Gua attacker ya. Gua kira defender, cok. Ya elah, dari tadi gua nyerah mulu dong. Ya elah, dari tadi nyerah dong gua. Boleh kalau kita nyerah ya, berkurang nggak? Oh iya, gua kira defender le. Attacker tentunya, sorry dah.
Capture the last sector. We're going to win this. Allied troops launching an assault on objective Charlie 1. Come to support.
Nowhere to go!
Buka badai.
Guided missiles launched.
Requesting beacon here! Over!
Strategic beacon.
We've got heavy losses. Push harder and capture the sector.
Anjir, jatuh gua.
Smoke barrage ready.
Strategic beacon deployed. This is their last line of defense.
C2 nya le, tolong le, C2 le, tolong.
We have taken objective Charlie 1.
Target eliminated!
Guided missiles launched.
Anjir, lagi-lagi temen gua, cok.
Smoke barrage ready.
The enemy is attacking objective Charlie 1. This is their last line of defense. 15% troop force. Time to make our final stand.
Anjir, lagi-lagi temen gua, cok.
Smoke barrage ready.
We've neutralized objective Charlie 2. Prepare for the enemy counter.
C1-nya nggak sih bagi dua le?
Smoke screen incoming. Objective Charlie 2 secure. Beware of enemy attack. Objective Charlie 1 has fallen into enemy hands. Switch tactics. and organize a fight back.
Bukan lari ya, malah hormat gua. Keren juga.
Objective Charlie 2 is under attack.
Kok satunya gagal coy.
They've nowhere else to run. Final push. Strategic beacon deployed. Victory in sight. They can't hold much longer.
C1-nya gagal mulu.
Thank you!
We've neutralized objective Charlie 1. Prepare for the enemy counter.
Kedua.
Objective Charlie 1 secure. Beware of enemy attacks. The enemy has secured objective Charlie 2. Allocate troops accordingly.
Enemy off balance!
Artillery barrage ready. Smoke barrage ready.
This is their last line of defense. Roger that. Artillery barrage incoming. The enemy has taken objective Charlie 1. Copy.
Wih,
Vehicle drop to
cepetlah
designated
C1-nya
location.
bro. C2 udah oke nih.
Objective Charlie 2 secure. Beware of enemy attacks.
Smoke barrage ready.
Strategic beacon deployed. The enemy is attacking objective Charlie 2.
Tango down!
Bikin minimal bikin gede bro.
Capture the last sector. We're going to win this. One objective left. You're almost there. Operation failed.
Di fit kan, bikin gede minimalnya. Kita kayak dipermainkan gitu loh. Udah ngisi C2, C1-nya kosong. Ngisi C1, C2-nya kosong, kocak emang. 47 kill bro. Tadi gue bikin gede ya, jangan ininya ya, jangan apa, misil. Harusnya naik sih, karena kill banyak ya. Ikut bentar bang, gue nunggu naik aja sih. Akhirnya itu loh, Yellow main solo bisa sampai Marshal ya bro. Gero S1 gue nggak ini sih. Oh ini Victory nih ya. Al event. Oh event ini ya. Oh iya bener cok. King of the Hill mana itu? Ya udahlah lanjut nextnya aja kali ya. Next aja kali ya bang ya. Gila udah sejam juga gue. Ya udahlah jadi kita akhiri dengan Marshall ya, udah Marshall gue anjay, keren juga bro. Ya udah terima kasih banyak ya guys ya buat kalian yang udah mampir ke live ini ya guys ya. Terima kasih juga buat kalian yang nonton replay mungkin. Dan juga terima kasih yang udah like, yang udah share, yang udah subscribe ya guys ya, yang udah komen, terima kasih banyak ya. Sampai jumpa di live selanjutnya. Semoga kalian panjang umur, sehat selalu, bahagia selalu, dan banyak rezekinya. Amin ya robbal alamin. Mohon maaf bila tadi ada salah-salah kata guys. Bye bye. Thank you guys. Bye bye.